which is the best free VPN for iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you looking for a VPN to effectively bypass geo restrictions and allow access to various streaming platforms? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. So, first things first, go to your App Store and then search for Turbo VPN. And then once you install it, go ahead and open it. Now, Turbo VPN is known for its simple and intuitive design, making it easy for beginners to navigate and use. However, since it's free, you'll need to watch ad for a few seconds. Uh, Another good side is that it offers decent speed, especially on nearby servers, making it suitable for streaming and browsing. You just have to tap on the caret icon to connect to it, and then it will start connecting. So it's really simple, and once it's connected, it will support various apps and help you bypass geo restrictions. And it will also enhance security and it will allow for customized traffic routing. You do not need to have any security concerns. It's fully transparent and user friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.